Good Saturday morning to you. Hopefully you're having a nice start to the day. It'll be a bit of a breezy day ahead and a breezy day tomorrow. We're looking at southerly winds gusting upwards of around 25 to even 30 miles per hour in the next 24 to 48 hours. So just gear up. It's going to be a little bit hot, muggy as you step out the door and a little windy. Now we do have a first alert weather day in store for you as we move into Monday. Something to keep in mind. I'll be diving into those details coming up in just a couple of seconds, and then cooler midweek thanks to a frontal system that'll swing through. But an active weather pattern will stay in the forecast, so enjoy the sunshine while it lasts today. Now let's talk about today's forecast. Temperatures climbing into the 80s, gradually seeing some sunshine peek through those clouds as we move into that lunchtime hour. Winds will stay from the south, pumping in a decent amount of moisture, but start gusting up to around 25 miles per hour into the afternoon hours. Temperatures climbing into the low 90s by that 5 p.m. hour, and then gradually decreasing as that sun sets later on tonight around 8:20, I should say. Now we're seeing a little bit of cloud cover here across the skies, but generally speaking, we are dry here across North Texas. A little bit of a disturbance has passed through the very far northeastern counties, but that's continuing to move off to the east. Again, it's just some light rainfall into the Arklatex as of right now, nothing to be concerned about, but all of that, again, just dry weather will be anticipated today. Maybe a spotty shower here and there later into the afternoon for our far western counties, but generally speaking, not too much will be anticipated. I am tracking our next big weather maker, though. We have a big trough and a big low pressure system that's over across the Pacific Northwest. This trough will gradually shift off to the east as we move into the upcoming days and ignite the chance for some severe weather. I'll dive into those details in just a bit, but let's talk about today. We have a southerly flow pumping in a lot of moisture. So this is a dew point temperatures. All the green is showing you the moisture content in the atmosphere. And well, we have a lot of it. Dew point temperatures are in the middle 60s, even into the 70s for our eastern counties today. This is going to help fuel some thunderstorms. When we have that dry line set up, it basically separates the more moist air mass from the drier air mass. And this could initialize a couple of rumbles of thunder, especially as we move into the late afternoon and into the evening hours tomorrow. For our far northwestern counties, that's where a severe weather risk will lie, with temperatures in the upper 80s expected for tomorrow. Again, northwestern counties, maybe a stronger thunderstorm, maybe a flare-up rumble of thunder, but not everybody will see any activity or some activity as we move into the day tomorrow is what I'm trying to say. Now let's talk about Monday. We have a surface low and a frontal system that'll be swinging through. We have a dry line and a lot of Gulf moisture ahead of this system. This is going to ignite the chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms, especially as we move into the late afternoon and into the evening hours. Into your Monday, a level 2 out of 5 threat for our northwestern counties, but a level 1 out of 5 threat across the Metroplex. Just be aware that gusty winds upwards of 60 miles per hour or stronger, even some larger hailstones, are going to be the primary threat as we move into your Monday time period. The unsettled weather pattern continues as we move into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. Look at that. Chance of rain will be anticipated pretty much daily as we move into this next work week. This is good news for our far eastern counties because a decent amount of rain accumulation is in the forecast. Anywhere from an inch to 2 will be possible through our Wednesday time period for our far eastern counties, and notice those are the areas that are under the extreme drought. So hopefully we'll see some improvements as we move into this week whenever it comes to the drought monitor. Again, today should be pretty pleasant, a little bit muggy for you, high temperature around 90, and gusty first alert weather day will be expected on Monday.